Jai Jawan. Major Daljit Singh Narang successfully headed the war that has few parallels in the history of armored warfare. Major Daljit Singh Narang was born on May 20, 1935 in Peshawar, Pakistan. Major Narang joined the army on 9th December 1956 at the age of 21 years and was commissioned into 45 Cavalry and Armored Regiment of the Armored Corps. The regiment was based at Kanchapara in the 24 Barganas district of West Bengal and was equipped with Russian PT-76 amphibious light battle tanks and later with T-55 main battle tanks. During 1971, Major Narang's regiment was deployed in the eastern sector to deal with the rising threat from the then East Pakistan. Indo-Pak War, 21st November 1971. The December 1971 war between India and Pakistan over the liberation of the Bangladesh has been discussed and dissected widely. But what may still not to be known to many is that there was a battle fought 12 days before the war officially began, which is said to have influenced the outcome of the war in India's favor. This was the Battle of Garipur, fought between the two countries on 21st November 1971 in Bangladesh near the international border and was won decisively by India. Even before the war had actually begun, innumerable clashes were taking place along the border between India and Pakistan. On the eastern border, the Garipur village was at an important crossroads and its control was vital as it included a highway to Jessore from India. On 21 November, the 14th Punjab Battalion, supported by a squadron of 14 PT-76 tanks from 45 Cavalry, moved in to capture the areas around Garipur inside Pakistani territory. The move was supposed to be a surprise, but following a skirmish with patrol troops of both armies the previous day, Pakistan had an inkling of this impending attack. Major Narang was commanding the squadron of 45 Cavalry in that battle. Pakistan immediately responded in numbers when its 107 Infantry Battalion, supported by 3rd Independent Armored Squadron equipped with M24 Chaffee's light tanks, was launched. Possessing numerical superiority, Pakistan troops were in position to decimate the Indian intrusion. But the Punjab Battalion, known for its long history of valor, dug in and poised themselves for a counter-attack. Retaining the infantry in a defensive position, the tanks of C Squadron under the command of Major Narang were sent forward to ambush the oncoming Pakistani charge. In the next couple of hours, Indian troops pounded the Pakistani attack, who couldn't pinpoint the source of attacks due to poor visibility on account of fog. The battle raged long and furious at very close quarters. Major Narang stood on the turret of his tank, directing the operations and effectively engaging the enemy tanks despite heavy fire. When one of the tanks of his squadron was hit, he immediately, at immense risk to himself, rushed to assist its crew in pulling out. His courage and fearlessness so inspired his troops that they successfully decimated the enemy squadron of Chaffee tanks and stemmed the enemy advance. The Indian forces destroyed 10 Pakistani tanks, losing 3 of their own. Subsequently, 4 more enemy tanks were destroyed. However, Major Narang was targeted by the enemy and was struck down fatally by barrage of machine gun fire. Major Narang attained martyrdom atop his tank, valiantly leading his troops. His indomitable courage, outstanding leadership, undeterred determination, devotion to duty, and supreme sacrifice ensured successful completion of the assigned operational task. Major Daljit Singh Narang was given the nation's second highest gallantry award, Mahavir Chakra, for raw courage, unfaltering leadership, and supreme sacrifice. About the battle for Garipur, fought by Major Daljit Singh Narang's squadron, It is said that there are a few parallels in the history of armored warfare, where one armored squadron was engaged and annihilated by an armored force of equal strength at such little cost in terms of tank and personnel casualties. Jai Hind.